Okay, friends, so we're going to answer the question, how much longer is Dolly than Leia? And I've got our strings still laid out. So what we're trying to figure out is that they're the same up until this point. Leia is 27 inches long and Dolly is 62 inches long. So they both have the 27 inches, but Dolly's keeps going. So that's what we're going to figure out. So I am going to measure the actual strings to check this, but first I wanted to solve it with an equation. So we said if we took away the 27 inches that they both have, Dolly and Leia both have a 27-inch piece, but Dolly's keeps going. So we're going to take away that 27. Now, we're trying to figure out how much longer Dolly is than Leia. In class, we solved the problems like this. So Dolly has a big box, and we don't know, and it's 62 inches. Leia, her box is smaller because she's smaller. It's 27. Now up to this point, they're the same. We don't know how much longer Dolly is. So they both have the 27 here. And that's why we're taking it away. So let's use a number line for this. I'm going to start at 62 because that's how long Dolly is. And we're going to take away the 27 inches long that Leia is. So I'm going to take away minus 10, minus 10, and put my labels. So 62 minus 10 is 52. 52, take away 10 is 42. Now, I still have the 7 ones. So I'm going to take away 1, 2, and that's going to get me to 40. Now, I still have 5. So 5 and 2 is 7. So I've taken away the 7. And that is 35. So, according to my number line, Dolly is 35 inches longer than Leia because we took away what they had that was the same. And this is what kept going for Dolly. Let's try it a different way. Let's try just using equations. So, I could do 62 minus 20. I'm going to split that 27 into tens and ones. And that would be, well, 6 tens take away 2 tens is 4 tens. 2 minus 0 is still 2. So we're at 42. But now we need to take away the 7. So 42 minus 7 equals, well, I could take away a 2 and a 5, kind of like I did on my number line. So 42 minus 2 equals 40. And I need to come over here, I ran out of room. 40 minus 5 equals, once again, 35. Let's try one more strategy. Let's use tens and ones. Now, I'll go ahead and tell you, we have more ones to take away than what we're going to have, so we're going to have to rearrange some tens. But we can do that. Y'all are good at that. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 for the 62, and 1, 2. Okay, so let's go ahead and take away our 20, 10, 20, and we can take away 1, 2, but we still need to take away the rest of that 7. So I'm going to turn this 10 into ones. I did not exit out. I'm just turning it into ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's the same thing. It just looks a little different now. I spread it out into ones. So I've taken away 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Now, we need to see what is left that has not been marked out. We took away the 27, and now we are left with 10, 20, 30. These are not marked out. They're safe. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So our answer, 35. plus 5 equals 35. So now let's measure that string and double check. But we're thinking the answer should be 35. I got it all the ways that I solved that problem. So I've got my strings still laid out. And here is where Leia's string ends, that's 27 inches. So now we're going to measure how much further Dolly's string keeps going. So I've got my ruler again. I'm at 12 inches. I put my scissors there to mark my spot like I did last time. I'm at another 12. So like I did, I'm going to get my spot marked. And I have my 12 plus 12 so far. And I have a little bit more I need to keep going with. And so this time I'm not gonna add another 12. Instead, I'm going to add 11 because that's pretty close to where that rope stops. So I had my 12 plus 12, now I need that 11. Well, I remember that 12 plus 12, 10, 20. 2 plus 2 is 4, 24. Now we need 24 plus 11. We can solve that. 2 tens plus 1 10 is 3 tens. 4 ones plus 1 1. 4 plus 1 is 35. We got the same answer, even when we just measured it. Leia, you are 35 inches smaller than Dolly. You're the biggest by 35 inches. Congratulations.